All right guys, what's going on? It's DJ with Keens Buildings. We're out here in Dade City, Florida. We're only a couple miles away from our Dade City location out here in Pasco County. Behind me here, we got a 30 by 60. This is 30 by 40 enclosed with a 20-foot overhang. We're gonna go over all the little details that we've done to it and opening up these sides.
And I'm like, well, you're putting this in there, right? No. Well, you're going to put that in there? No. Well, what did you build it for?
You tell me
Other stuff.
it looks so pretty empty. So
Yeah, there you go.
You're selling a product, you want that
Oh
product.
yeah, I don't.
All my neighbors, been trying to sell barns here. I was
Oh,
waiting
yeah,
to
I know.
They love it.
Little
They want to
kickback here
move
or
into
something.
it.
Yeah. Yep.
That turned out nice, didn't it?
Yeah. Everybody's so different. You know, like the dark grays and whites are super popular right now.
She chose the colors. I did back home in Michigan. I do all barn red stuff. Everything I got.
Yeah, that's right. You guys were in Michigan. What were we talking about in the office when you came down?
When you were helping me figure out how to permit it, how to get the permits.
That's right. Annie Ataya, which is our sales agent down there in Dade City, she had worked with this customer directly in our office. They used our 30 by 40 display, and then they kind of put their own twist to it. All right, so pretty straightforward in Pasco County here. The wind ratings just need to meet 150 miles an hour. This building is wind rated at 150 miles an hour, and that is 5 foot on center. All right, so like we talked about, it has a 20-foot extension of the roof. So when we do an extension of a roof, typically this would have legs every 5 foot. Now, whenever you're trying to make a big hangout area or utilize all your space, we talk about headers a lot, and a header can be anywhere from a 6-foot header to a 20-foot header. And what you're looking at right there is 17 foot wide, and that's that header across the top there. So it eliminates the post. Pretty cool little feature that we mentioned. You could put 45-degree angles on that. So looking from the outside in, you kind of see that little, maybe a barn style look, just a touch that you can add to your steel building. All right guys, so colorways on this building, customer has went with ash gray for the main body, Hawaiian blue, wainscoting and trim, and then with the white roof on top of that thing, make sure it's cool down here in the state of Florida. So really cool little color combo. Seeing these things come together, everybody has their own touch, and out here sticking in the woods, this is a nice little look. And above here, another just cosmetic thing, it kind of covers that truss whenever you're looking in. That's a gable end. That's gonna cover that triangular section up there, cutting straight across that 12 foot, and then just giving that final finish touch to the building. All right guys, look here. We got ourselves some windows. They're lever latching windows. They're 200 bucks a piece. That's installed, trimmed, and everything. So definitely something aesthetically looks good, gives you guys some airflow. Those are the standard window there. All right guys, so up here we got a 10 by 10 chain drive door. Now we offer a couple different models of this 10 by 10 where you got your standard coil door and then you have your chain drive. And that's both of those are Janus doors. They're all certified doors. Here at Keens Buildings, we guarantee you products that go on your building, have all their product approvals, and they're all certified by the state of Florida. And just know here at Keens Buildings that you're guaranteed all products on your building are to code. You let us know what you think. If you know anybody looking for a steel building, at least just comment them below, tag them, share with your friends. We'd love to help them out. We'd love to at least get them a quote. As in the state of Florida, man, we are one of the largest dealers for tubular steel buildings.